We join a Zoom plea sentencing hearing in Bexar County, Texas, for Amanda de los Santos, who is pleading guilty to criminal trespassing, presided over by the Honorable Paul Carrales. The hearing is marked by Amanda's striking appearance, which elicits surprised reactions from the attendees.
Okay, we're now live on YouTube, and we're just waiting on Ms. Urso and Mr. Burns to finish their conferring. I'm going to give them 5 more minutes, and then if they're not ready in 5 minutes, I'm going to ask you to go in and tell them that we have a plea ready. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Debbie?
I'm sorry, Judge.
In about 5 minutes, Debbie, if they're not out, please go in there and tell them that we need them to come out because I have a plea ready.
Okay.
And Ms. De Los Santos, we're just waiting on the district attorney. You just be patient. We'll wait about 5 minutes and we'll take care of your case. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Hey, Ms. Miller, did you finish confirming with your client, Ms. Miller, and you're ready on the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I've got one ahead of you. Okay, Ms. Urso is finished confirming Mr. Burns. Ms. Urso, is that case going to go or not go?
Which I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear that.
On Mr. Burns' case, is that case going to go or be sent back?
It's gonna be sent back.
It's going to be sent back. Okay, that's on. Okay, come on, let me find him on my docket.
First page, Judge. That's the one that I had to separate the.
Okay, that's De Los Santos. No.
No, De Leon. The first
Leon.
one.
Okay, Mr. Burns. He
He just
left.
logged back on.
Mr. Burns.
Hey, sorry.
I'm told that your case is going to be sent back. Is that right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Well, then, thank you. You can be excused.
Mr.
Alright.
Behrens, is that no offer or no agreement? Oh, he
Well,
got-
there isn't an offer yet because there's a lot of more complex than your typical jail court situation. So we don't have an
Okay.
offer.
Okay.
You don't want
thank
us to reset it here, do you?
No, just go ahead and send it back to 11.
Okay. All right. That's what we'll do.
And Mr.
All right.
Behrens, there is no felony pending.
Not at least not on the computer.
Right, correct.
Okay. Well, that I have to. But anyway, there's 3 cases with 2 different offense dates, and there's an issue, a suppression issue on one of them that has the 2 cases. So the other, the ADA and 11 was going to check into that. That one.
Okay.
Freedom.
Okay. So sent back and you're excused then. Thank you. All right. Thanks for showing up. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay. So now on my screen, I have Amanda de los Santos ready on the plea. Mr. Sheffield, you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. De Los Santos, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes or no, man?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Oh, what happened here? That wasn't supposed to happen that way. Try that again one more time. Oh, yeah, damn it. All right, well, right now I'll just have to settle for that. Let me try one more. 1 minute. Huh. Okay. Do you see the screen, ma'am? Do you see the screen, Mr. Dos Santos? I need a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Is your name Amanda de los Santos?
Yes.
Are you the same Amanda de los Santos who, in this cause number 2024 CC 742364, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, and the agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 23 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Sheffield?
It is, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. De Los Santos? Mr. De Los Santos, do you agree to this?
Yes.
Then the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 23 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Sheffield?
It should be, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Okay.
Tell the deputies we're finished with your case. Mr. Sheffield, you can be excused. And good luck
Thank
to
you, Judge. Thanks, everybody.
Sit down over there. Ma'am. Yes. Sit down over there.
Okay. So that takes care of that. Now, next on my list is
Thank you
Fuller.
for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment.